Welcome back to Product Critique, your trusted channel for honest reviews and product insights. Today, we're diving into what we believe are the best white baby towels you can get your hands on, the HIPHOP PANDA baby washcloths. Let's begin by taking a close look at why these washcloths have become such a favorite among new parents. Right off the bat, what makes this product stand out is the premium material. These washcloths are made from 90% rayon derived from bamboo and 10% cotton, which gives them that ultra-soft feel you can instantly notice. It's the kind of softness that makes you pause for a moment and smile, perfect for delicate newborn skin. Each washcloth is a generous 10 by 10 inch square, and this particular set comes as a pack of 6. That's a great quantity for rotating through bath time, wipe downs, and even quick mess cleanups. What's special here is the 2-layer design. It might sound simple, but the double-layer fabric creates a plush, pillowy texture that's not just cozy but highly absorbent too. If you're bathing a fussy baby who hates cold or wet cloths, this thickness helps retain warmth and stays effective throughout. HIPHOP PANDA has used the latest textile technology here, and that shows in the construction. The edges are neatly stitched, the fabric feels durable without being scratchy, and the overall feel is luxurious. It doesn't feel like a disposable wipe. This is something that'll easily last through many washes. Speaking of wash cycles, these are machine washable and stay soft even after multiple uses. No shrinking, no stiffness, no wearing thin. Whether you're using them for bath time, wiping baby's face, or even as a makeup remover cloth for yourself, the longevity is seriously impressive. Now let's talk safety. These washcloths are designed with newborns in mind, and that means no harsh dyes, no rough textures, and no synthetic irritants. Parents will love knowing they're using something that's natural, breathable, and healthy for the baby's sensitive skin. Functionality-wise, the washcloths are extremely versatile. Beyond baths, they work great as reusable baby wipes, burp cloths, or for cleaning up milk dribbles and food mess. They're compact enough to throw in your diaper bag and stylish enough that you won't mind pulling them out in public. And of course, they're white. There's something classic and clean about pure white baby towels. They go with any nursery theme, make spotting stains easy for cleaning, and just feel timeless. Whether you're buying for your own baby or as a gift for new parents, they give off that premium, thoughtful vibe. From material quality to thoughtful design, these are soft, safe, durable, and multi-purpose. If you're looking for something that blends practicality with a gentle touch, this 6-pack is a winner. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more trusted product critiques like this one. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next review.